So I think I found the best camera video light for us content creators and also filmmakers out here. What's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand here today, and we are back once again with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video right now. All right, so I went ahead and picked up this light. I'm gonna be real with you guys. We'll cut a little too deep in the box. I've actually had this video light. I want to say I own one of these probably 3 times so far. And I bought another one because your boy kind of put one of them in a washing machine. I don't know how. It was kind of crazy. It was a weird situation, but that's all inside the box. This right here is going to be the IVISII G2 RGB video light. Now, when I tell you this light is just crazy good to me personally, this is crazy. I've recommended this light to a couple friends out here that actually do a lot of videography as well, and they have loved this light. Compared to using all these other different lights, of course, Aperture, they have their own, you know, smaller video lights, but this one from IVISII, it has been like very great to me. And on top of that, it's very cheap and affordable. So I was like, we're gonna get this one instead. But let's go and continue into the unboxing video. Let's go ahead and get this opened up for us today. Oh, almost got that. All right, cool. We got those 2 sides on here. Pop that open. Man, I'm tell you, I hope that you guys do buy this. And this is not a sponsored video at all, but this light is just absolutely great. Oh God, come on. I always struggle trying to get the box out the box. I mean, the product outside the box. But anyway, you guys, this right here is going to be the camera video light right here. When I first bought it, when I first seen the price point of it, I really thought it was going to be something cheap, but respectfully, it's far from a cheap product. This right here is built so freaking, it's just durable for one. That's all I'm gonna say. It's very durable. I believe this is built like out of aluminum, but it has like that metal feeling to it. That's why I say it's probably out of aluminum or whatever. But man, I'm gonna turn this on right quick and probably blind y'all. Yeah, definitely just blinded myself. Turn it back off. But anyway, that's the light right there. We're gonna put that to the side. Let's go and see exactly what you guys do get inside of this box. So this right here is going to be the USB-C charging cable. I love this right here. I'm so happy that they actually have the USB-C compatibility in here instead of like, you know, the standard bull crap, you know, wire that you normally do get. So that's pretty dope. Then on top of that, you do have a traveling case as well. I actually had like, I bought this like 3 times. First one I sold, the second one got washed, and then this is the 3rd time I do have it. But I got a couple of these bags and I was kind of confused on what this bag was, so I was just using it like as a microfiber wipe, but now I know it's for the light, so that's cool. Then on top of that, you do get a 1/4" thread to hot shoe mount. This is perfect. I always lose this right here, but I'm gonna definitely keep this inside the bag, and also the light is gonna stay in the bag as well, that way we don't, you know, wash it again. It's kind of stupid. No. And then we do have one other product inside this here, which is going to be a tripod stand. This right here is very handy when it comes down to actually using this light. Now, for content creators, you're probably asking, why do I need this light? Hold on, give me one quick second. We almost done. Oh, last thing in here is just some paperwork, you know, user manual, stuff like that. Put that over there to the side. Well, this tripod right here came in handy for me on several different instances. You know how some people, they have those videos where they have, obviously they have their key light over here, and then some people have like a RGB light on the other side of them. That's what this tripod stand can allow you to do. Pretty much is just mount this light, obviously, you know, onto the tripod, and then you can just put this wherever you want to put it. Turn it back. I'm gonna turn this on right quick and see if I can do something. Jesus, it's freaking bright. That's why I'm like, I love this light right here. Let me turn this light down right quick to, let's just go to 25%. But, you know, they'll do something, a little something like this. Now, the reason why I say as well that you can purchase this light because you are content creators, because this light right here can be vertical, which makes, it sounds crazy, but you can actually literally turn the light vertical, which is pretty dope to me. But then on top of that as well, once you do go vertical, it also can spin around in a full 360. So mine, this is very tight right now, and I actually like it because, boy, the first one I got was so freaking loose. I was like, wait a minute, you know, it was kind of crazy. But so like I said, you know, we got the vertical mount. You can vertically turn it this way. But then again, filmmakers, This right here does have, and this probably fit into everybody category. So this light right here does come with 9 different effects. Okay, let's start off with number 1. So the first effect on here we do have is called SOS mode. Obviously, you know, that's SOS mode right there. Then the second we do have is going to be a lightning 1. And then we have lightning 2. That's pretty dope. I like that. All right, so here we go. We got the TV screen effect. And then the next one we do have is going to be your police effect. We do have an ambulance mode as well. Fire truck, and then RGB slow, and then like I said, back to the RGB fast. So those right there are going to be the 9 lightning effects that you do get when you do purchase this little pocket RGB light. So yeah, this light, even though it is, you know, it does have that very strong durability and also the build quality of the light, this light, it really isn't that heavy. It is only weighing at 11 ounces. So therefore, if you are somebody that wants to take it out to do like photography work, not photography work, but I'm gonna say videography work in like nightclubs, or either if you are a filmmaker that's on set, content creators that just want to use it just for home, or either if you want to use this for vlogs, trust me, this light right here would come in handy, because that wasn't even the brightest the light got. The light can get way much brighter. When I say way much brighter, I'm talking about way much brighter. But anyway, enough of the RGB effects. Let's go ahead and talk about the regular the regular lighting effects. So this light right here also has the capability to go from 2600 Kelvin all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. Yes, 10,000 Kelvin. It's just absolutely crazy. And let me see if I can go into research, because boy, I was doing it before and it took me a little minute, you know, a little minute. You probably can see it right here. Let me see if that top down shot can get that 10,000 Kelvin. If not, that's all cool. I'm gonna see. You know, this, you just gotta believe me. 10,000 Kelvin right here. This is how bright that would get. Now on the camera, obviously it's not gonna be that bright, but in person, y'all, this light is freaking bright. So yeah, 10,000 Kelvin, that is very bright, especially for like a little pocket light just like this. So me personally, I would go ahead and pick this one up. Obviously, I bought it 3 different times. I do recommend it to any and everybody to go pick up one of these IVISII lights. The price point of this light is very, once again, it's inexpensive. It's only $69.99 on Amazon. And like I said, I will make sure that this light is left down in the description so you guys can go ahead and pick up this light. But yeah, so that's all we do have for you guys today on this IVISII light. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.